Hey guys, welcome back to Adelph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to copy an Instagram comment. So to do this process, first is open up the Instagram application into your device, of course. And now over here, you can just simply go ahead and go to a specific post that you want to copy the comment to. So here I have the Red Bull post. And now I'm gonna tap on the comment. And here on the comment, as you can see, when I tap and hold the comment, I cannot copy it, or there is no feature on the Instagram that I would be able to copy it. So one thing is you could just simply take a screenshot of this one over here. Now guys, once you have taken a screenshot, you just simply tap on the photo that you had a screenshot to. Once you have taken a screenshot, of course, just make sure to just simply crop it to the text that you want to copy. Now, once you have done that, make sure to save it. And once you have crop the word that you want to copy, you will just simply open up your web browser or any Chrome into your device. And from here, you could just simply search for image to text. And from here, once you have searched it, you will have the very first one, which is image to text that info, and simply select browse over here. And of course, select files and select the screenshot that we did and the crop photo that we did. And now, after that, just simply tap on convert. Now, guys, as you can see, we have the comment over here. So from here, just make sure to select the word that you want to copy. And after that, you should be able to paste it whenever you like. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.